Welcome to this Billwerk Plus optimized tutorial. In this video, we will look into the creation of a dunning flow. Please be aware that our dunning flow only applies to invoices created by a subscription plan in Billwerk Plus and not ordinary invoices. Also notice that the dunning flow is only sending out emails, not adding any dunning fees to your customers. With that mentioned, and without further ado, let's dive right in. When in the Billwerk dashboard, find and click the Configuration button, then locate and click the button labeled Dunning Management. What you see here is the Dunning Flow overview. Here you are able to see all your created dunning flows. At the moment, there is only the default dunning flow that we have already created. When looking at it, you can see what will happen and when it will happen if an invoice goes into dunning. You can easily edit the dunning flow by clicking the Edit button. But for now, we will move on and create a new dunning flow instead. To begin, find and click the button labeled New. You are now looking at the Dunning Flow Creator. The first thing you need to do is to name your new dunning flow. When you give your flow a name, a handle for your flow will automatically be generated. The handle is a unique identifier used for later search and identification of the specific dunning flow. Next, you need to determine if this new dunning flow should be your default flow from now on. If yes, click the ticker. Be aware that this will not affect any of your existing subscription plan's dunning flow. The last thing you need to define before building your flow is the grace period which you would like to offer you customers. You also need to define if the grace period only applies to soft declined invoices. Depending on what you choose, just switch the ticker on and off. And now to the setup of the dunning flow. Basically, the flow exists of three things: emails sent to your customers, days between actions, and a final action. First, define how many emails you wish to send to your customers. This can easily be done by clicking the Add Email button. In this test case, we would like a total of 3 emails to be sent. So we add 2 additional emails. Now you need to specify the intervals in which each of the dunning emails are sent to your customers. In our test case here, we will set the interval to 5, 4, and then 3 days between each emails. Notice how the day counter changes for the specific actions. The last thing you need to determine is what will happen after the last interval, the final action. You have 3 actions to choose from as your final action. First action, expire subscription. This will terminate the subscription the customer have. Please be aware that it is not possible to reactivate a terminated subscription. If the customer at a later point in time would like to reactivate the subscription, a new subscription will have to be created. Second action, put the subscription on hold. This will pause the subscription. You are then later able to reactivate the subscription again. Third action, keep subscription active, will not affect the subscription. It will just keep on being active. Now, if you are satisfied with the flow, locate and click the Create button. Congratulations, you have now created your first dunning flow. Feel free to create more if needed. Use our other videos as assistance. If you get stuck, just let us know. We're happy to help. Have a great day.